Hi everyone, and welcome to this Fantasy Art Friday video. In this video I'm working on a drawing of a smoke wolf, and I really liked this idea, blending between an abstract drawing of a wolf's face and lots of layered ribbons of smoke. I decided to use graphite for this drawing, along with blending sticks and a small eraser to help add to any textures and effects. And for any highlights I used a white GellyRoll pen. And I also decided to add a little hint of blue colouring to the wolf's eyes, layering some watercolour on top of the graphite. It was such a fun and challenging drawing to work on, and I really hope you enjoy watching this video. I had a great time working on this drawing, and I really hope you enjoyed watching the video. Be sure to let me know what you think of this, and also let me know if you have any suggestions for future videos. If you want to see more stuff like this, then feel free to subscribe, and any likes or shares on this video, they really mean a lot to me. If you want to follow my progress and see photos before I post these videos, then please check out the links in the description box below to check out my Twitter, Facebook and Instagram. And once again, thank you so much for watching, and thank you so much for the support. I really appreciate it. And I hope you have an amazing day, and I'll see you all soon.